So videos been surfacing the internet about Thomas Tuchel impersonating Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola is the favorite to win the Champions League final, as Chelsea have fallen off in recent weeks. Declan Rice might leave West Ham United this season. Sergio Aguero is close to joining Barcelona. Manchester United are close to signing Gianluigi Donnarumma, who has left AC Milan after his contract was not renewed. AC Milan has signed Lille goalkeeper Mike Magnan in his place. Donnarumma might be an upgrade to the present goalkeeper situation at Manchester United, with both David De Gea and Dean Henderson fighting for the number one spot all season long. But it looks like Donnarumma will be an upgrade. De Gea has served United well, but it looks like his time has finally come to an end. Massimiliano Allegri is the new Juventus coach after Andrea Pirlo was sacked as head coach of Juventus. Allegri, this is his second spell after winning 5 Italian league titles, 4 Coppa Italias and reaching 2 Champions League finals in his first spell. Things are looking good. Will Cristiano Ronaldo stay is anybody's guess. Christian Pulisic will become the first American to feature in the Champions League final. Arsenal are looking to sign Brighton midfielder Yves Bissouma. Brighton are interested in the services of Eddie Nketiah, so it could be a swap deal between Nketiah and Bissouma plus cash for Arsenal. Antonio Conte joins the Tottenham manager shortlist, but remains very much a plan B option for Tottenham. There are a lot of coaches available with likes of Zinedine Zidane also there, so it will be interesting to see who finally gets to sign for Tottenham and for Real Madrid. Raul is in the running, as is Xabi Alonso. Kyle Walker just celebrated his 31st birthday today along with Phil Foden and John Stones. KPMG has ranked Real Madrid as the most valuable European football club for a third consecutive year. The club is valued at 2.9 million euros and lies above Barcelona and Manchester United. David Alaba has completed the signing for Real Madrid from Bayern Munich, so that will mean guys like Rafael Varane or Sergio Ramos, one of them will be going. It looks like it paves the way for Chelsea or Manchester United to sign Rafael Varane from Manchester United. Also, Ibrahima Konate has signed for Liverpool, so Liverpool backline could be Konate and Virgil van Dijk next season. James Rodriguez has been released from the Colombia squad for the Copa America, as Rodriguez is deemed unfit. Yuri Tielemans looks set to join Liverpool and exit Leicester City, as Leicester plan for life without Tielemans. Liverpool want a replacement for Gini Wijnaldum, who has left on the free, and he might be joining Barcelona. Leicester, on the other hand, are looking towards signing another player to replace Yuri Tielemans in the centre of midfield. Tielemans had a very good season last year and the season before, and was the goal scorer in the FA Cup final against Chelsea. Leicester are bound to miss a player like Tielemans, and Liverpool will benefit immensely from midfield of Tielemans, Thiago, Keita and Jordan Henderson. Gary Lineker will quit BT Sports so he can watch Leicester around Europe from next season. Champions League final will be his last game in charge. Aymeric Laporte is set to get his first call-up for Spain as he switched his nationality from France to Spain. He joins the likes of Thiago Motta, Deco and Diego Costa, who switched nationalities before him. Can Barcelona, who are going through a mass exodus, can they sign any player? Well, they are mostly looking to sign free transfers right now with guys like Gini Wijnaldum, Memphis Depay, Eric Garcia, Sergio Aguero. They have been linked with Barcelona, but nothing has been final as yet. But they need to make signings of the likes of Erling Haaland and Hasim Aouar to really compete next season. They need a big striker. Argentina have named their squad and they have dropped some huge names such as Paulo Dybala. The players who have been selected are Marcos Acuna, Sergio Aguero, Lucas Alario, Emi Buendia, Angel Correa, Joaquin Correa, Rodrigo de Paul, Angel Di Maria, Nicolas Dominguez, Johan Foyt, Alejandro Gomez, Nicolas Gonzalez, Giovanni Lo Celso, Agustin Marquezin, Emiliano Martinez, Lautaro Martinez, Lisandro Martinez, Lucas Martinez, Quarta, Lionel Messi, Nahuel Molina, Juan Musso, Guido Rodriguez, Christian Romero, Lucas Ocampos, Nicolas Otamendi, Ezequiel Palacios, Jose Luis Palomino, Leandro Paredes, Jermaine Pazella and Nicolas Tagliafico. Some of the big names have not made it to the squad this time, such as Eric Lamela, Paulo Dybala. Juventus are also in the running for Gianluigi Donnarumma, so it would be interesting to see where he ends up. Juventus already have Wojciech Szczesny as the goalkeeper, so Szczesny might look for a club elsewhere. De Gea and Donnarumma might be involved in some sort of swap deal as well.